everyone, welcome to this special program that we are bringing to you live from our Prudent Media studios on a beautiful Sunday evening. Well, they say the hospitality industry is one booming industry. What is the hospitality industry? Yes, you have to be hospitable in the industry, but wherever there is a customer involved, that is the hospitality industry. And I think our guests in our studio will agree with me when I say that in the hospitality industry, the customer is always right. So you out there who are watching, if you all go to a restaurant or a hotel, when you go there, you're always right. But those who want to seek a career in this industry, this program is also very much meant for you all. First of all, to discuss this very, very important career facet, in our studio we have Guesto's very, very important person, a very handsome man. First of all, I have Laurie Colasso with me. Laurie is the head of corporate communication and also the vice principal of the Margaon division of Guesto. Then besides him is Joanna Azevedo, the academic coordinator and Guesto's lecturer in management studies. So first of all, pleasure to have you all in our studio. And how has the weather been so far for you all on a Sunday?
Of course, the weather has been excellent. To add to what you were saying, Guest is an incarnation of God. Atithi Deva Bhava has been what every hotel management school, including ours, stresses upon. Guest can never be wrong. So let's begin on a very positive note.
Let's begin on a very positive note. Laurie, tell me, what does Guesto cater to? Because there are so many institutes in Goa. What sets you and your institute apart?
Certainly, Guesto is a learning division of hospitality from the Emerge Learning Services. Okay. Our forte is in hospitality education. We've pioneered in various courses like the AHA, the American Hospitality Academy courses, the ICTP course, which is the International Chef Training Program, where in a period of 6 months, students work on cruise ships. Besides which, we're the technical collaborators of the Bharatiya University in Coimbatore. So we design curriculum, syllabus, assist in the operations of the university at large. So it's more of a role of the academician that Guesto takes care in building and bridging the gaps of hospitality industry.
Okay. This is a quick reminder to all you viewers out there. We are going live with this program right now, so you all can call in with any of your queries regarding this beautiful and booming industry that's the hospitality industry. Is it safe to say Goa is the hub, like we can say media, the industry that we work in, the hub is in Bombay and Delhi. Is it safe to say that the hub is in Goa for this particular field?
Of course, yes. Goa is one of the leading locations of hospitality, and certainly in the tourism sector, Goa is one of the best places. It is believed that in 2020, Goa would have about 53,000 odd new rooms opening up. That means a huge amount of tourists and a huge amount of jobs coming up.
One very crucial point in this field is you train, and even you say that Guesto is a pioneer institute in training your students and you all send them abroad. What happens to the Indian hotels and the Goan hotels? I mean, are you going to train everybody and send them abroad?
Certainly, look, if you understand the curriculum that we have, we leave it finally upon the students. Our training and placement coordinators talk to the student, they guide them, they talk about the pros and cons. Every job has a pro and a con. So once they assess the pro and the con, the training coordinator will speak to the students. After only speaking to the students, finally we talk to the parents also. We involve the parents because they are equal party to it. After intervention of the parents, finally it's the call of the child. We will not stop. If they want to go abroad, certainly we encourage it. If they want to work in India, we encourage it. So our curriculum is really wide. We give the choice upon to the students.
Okay. We look at 6-month courses, 1-year courses, 2-year, 3-year courses. What does Guesto offer? What are the different kinds? If you could just give us a quick rundown of your...
We start from 6-month courses and we go up to a year course.
Okay.
And our BSc degrees are of 3-year, our MBA degrees of 2 years.
Okay. And
postgraduate diplomas of 1 year. Besides which, we have 6-month courses from the HRDF Goa. We have specialized courses from Guesto itself in specialized cuisines like Italian cuisine and international cuisines, where we encourage students, especially the ones working on ships on merchant navy, they come across and they pick these courses up.
Okay.
Just for a period of 3 months. And they come when they're on holidays, they'll do that course.
Okay.
So excuse me, to sum it up, like we can say we have 3 kinds of courses. Okay. One is offered by the Bharatiya University, affiliated or affiliation to the university. The other group, second group, is Guesto courses.
Okay.
And the third one is the HRDF, Government of Goa courses. So basically we have these three
so
kinds
looking at a
of
holistic
Yeah.
kind of a teaching
Yeah.
offering, which a platter sort of, you could say,
Yeah.
of different cuisines you're offering the Goans to come to Guesto and take from. Now, you're talking about curriculum designing for the rest of, in this course. So, what is your faculty like? It's very important to know what your faculty is like, so our viewers also could know where they'll be learning.
Yeah, our faculty has international exposure. We have chefs around 24, 30 years odd experience in the United States, in the United Kingdoms, in Gulf region on the cruise liners. Our chef trainers are from cruise liners, from leading culinary schools of the world. They have come in. So it's a mix. Our hospitality faculty is a mix of people, professionals from Goa, from the academic industry of over 20 years long. So it's a mix of very senior profiles, experienced in the hospitality business.
Okay. So you're looking at coming back to your courses that you'll offer 6, 1, 2, 3 years broken up in that sort of strata. When can a student apply for it? After his 10th standard, after his 12th standard, after TY? Where are you looking at a student applying?
Generally, we advise students to join in after 12th, but however, we have courses for students who have passed 10th standard as well as failed 10th standard. Because we've generally understood the criteria that a lot of students would stop education at 9th standard because they fail 10th or things like which. We have to have courses for them also, because teaching the best is not what is the forte of any education institute. We want to make people the best. So we take Tom, Dick and Harry and make them respected people. Okay.
We're getting a call right in. Our first caller of the day. Go ahead. Ask your question.
Hi. I just wanted to ask you, if a child has failed 10th standard, is there any possibility of getting a job in the hotel industry?
Could I have your good name, please?
This is Priyanka.
Priyanka, you have asked a very, very good question, and I think intuition could not have a better timing than this. We were just discussing that.
Certainly, yes. Okay, Priyanka, of course, yes. If your child has not cleared his 10th standard examination, we, of course, can encourage him to come on board for a 1-year program with us, where we'll really skill him up to something that he really likes. But however, we would still encourage him to go back and pass his 12th standard and then join us on a degree program. That's what we'll still encourage. But if the student is ready to move to other locations, like our AP campuses in Andhra Pradesh, we have intern programs where we can take it up.
Okay. Also. The affiliations and the accreditations that you'll have, that Guesto offers to all its students, is something pretty special. I mean, would you like to shed light on that? Which are the universities you are affiliated to?
Okay. In India, we are affiliated to one university strictly, that's the Bharatiya University, where we're the technical collaborators for them. Besides which, 2 international bodies accredit us. One is the ICCA Dubai, and one is the AHA, American Hospitality Academy. So that gives us an edge above the rest, because once a student completes his course in the ICCA college, that's the ICTP course, he can get a certification from City and Guilds London.
Okay.
And an AHA course can complete his graduation in the Queen Margaret University in UK. So there is the option to grow, of course.
Okay. Tell us a little bit about the AHA, the affiliation you'll have with the American Institute of Hospitality.
It's pretty fresh merger with AHA, but of course it's a lot more to see. We'll be coming up with various more episodes on the AHA, and the launch of AHA in India is going to happen very shortly. So the AHA is a surprise for Goa, and I'm sure that Goa should make the best of it, because we have 2 courses. One is international hospitality and one is a course in culinary arts. Mind you, after the 2 years, the course you can go onto an international platform and perform your internship, a paid internship.
Okay.
Generally around $530 per month, plus accommodation and food.
So a teaser of sorts for all our viewers. AHA, what is it? The American Hospitality Academy, yes, that's the full form. But what is it? It's going to come to Goa pretty soon as well. And it looks like the hospitality industry, in terms of at least studying it, is going to hot up in the state. We have another caller in. We'll take this call as well.
Of course.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi there, this is Priyanka again.
Yeah, Priyanka, yes.
I forgot to ask you, do you all provide any hostel facilities?
hostel facilities. It's very important, I think, for students want
we
to know.
have a separate hostel.
First of all, let's tell our viewers where you are based in Goa.
We are based at Porvorim.
Okay.
Next to the Hero Honda showroom.
Okay.
A very prominent building. Okay. And as regards Priyanka, your question, we are having a separate hostel for the boys and separately for the girls. So which is well equipped with all the necessary amenities.
So it's close to your campus. Even in Margao, you'll have a campus. So
yeah, the Margao campus. We have a campus in Margao that's just besides the police station, in the heart of Margao. We do not have a hostel facility, but of course we help arrange locations for students.
Okay.
In Margao, but because we have more of the Goan student, so there's no need for hostel facility. But for our station students, we direct them to Porvorim.
Okay.